Hello, in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to farm liquidity in the RubySwap decentralized exchange. This is a follow-on from the previous two tutorials. If you don't know how to get liquidity, the link will be in the description. If you don't know how to get Ruby, the link will be in the description. And if you don't know how to get MetaMask, the link will be in the description. All right, this is really, really straightforward. So let's not waste too much time. You log on to the RubySwap exchange as usual. You then head down to farms. Before you do this, you must have been providing liquidity. Head down to farms. Now, if you're whatever you're providing liquidity for, if there is a farm available, you will see the farm here. Currently, there is only Ruby eGem farm. So I'll click details, and I want to enable this farm. So I'll click on enable. It will send a message to my MetaMask. My MetaMask will allow me to confirm. The fee is tiny, so it's basically nothing. It's really, really small. You click on enable, you wait a few seconds for it to send your request to the chain. Everything is done live to the chain. It should say transaction confirmed. Once the transaction has been confirmed, this enable light will change to stake LP, just like that. Click on stake LP. I'm going to stake the max. I'm going to stake every single one of my 4.3 Ruby eGem LP tokens, worth a grand total of 12 cents, I believe. Scroll down here and then click on confirm. Again, the fees are absolutely tiny. They're pretty much negligible. And in a short while, that transaction will also be confirmed. It's just been confirmed. You can't actually see that because my face is in the way, but in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, you'll get a transaction confirmed from. There we go. Your funds have been staked in the farm. Now you're going to be earning Ruby every single block. You'll earn a tiny bit of Ruby, and you can harvest the Ruby at any time you like just by clicking on the harvest button. Obviously, there's nothing there for me to harvest because my LP is so small, it will take me a while before I get anything. But this is just for tutorial purposes. You click on harvest, and it will harvest your uh, your staked tokens. I'm going to also in this tutorial show you how to unstake your LP tokens and stop farming, which is just as easy. You just click on the minus, choose how much you want to unstake. I'm going to unstake half of it, and I'm going to leave half running. So you click on confirm. You can click on max and unstake it all. You can unstake some. You can unstake. You can basically unstake however much you want. Pardon my phone. And after a short while, again, the eGem blockchain is pretty fast. At this point, it's pretty uncongested. Once DeFi kicks in, this may take longer, but at the moment, it's super quick. So make hay. Once you've unstaked it, you just click confirm. You'll get a little confirmation in the corner, which again is being hidden by my face, and your earnings have also been harvested. So when you unstake some of your LP, you will harvest your earnings at the same time. That's not, you can't avoid that. And basically, that it is that simple. So yeah, enjoy earning those great rewards from providing your liquidity. Thank you very much, and that's goodbye from me.